Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my boom and crash strategy that you can use to catch multiple spikes in the market. Now in this strategy we are going to be using the 5-minute time frame. As you can see here, the 5-minute time frame, and also we are going to be using just one indicator, the RSI and MACD indicator. That's just the indicators that we are going to be using. The relative strength index and MACD, those are the two indicators that we're going to be using for this strategy. And as you can see here, I caught a sniper entry from here, and the market spiked upwards, but the market almost got to my take profit zone. It almost got to my take profit zone before it started selling again. But I'm expecting that the market to spike upwards and still come to my take profit zone. Okay guys, seeing this market selling downwards, reducing me from my take profit is really causing me, it's really making me not happy. But I still have to let this trade play out. Now I'm going to be sharing with you how you can trade boom 500 and crash 500 using the 5-minute time frame. Okay, as you can see, I'm using the 5-minute time frame in this video. I'm going to be sharing with you the indicators I'm going to be using. Okay, but quickly I want to first of all teach you how to trade this market. Okay, looking at just the 5-minute time frame. Now as you can see, this market, what did you notice in this market? What did you notice in this market? Okay, what did you notice in this market? Let's go to the 30-minute time frame. This is the 30-minute time frame. What did you notice in the market, in this market? What did you notice in this market? From higher time frame, the market has been stuck in a range. Can you see that this market has been ranging here? Did you see that? So this is the only trading condition that we are looking out for scalping or intraday trades. Okay, these are the only market conditions. We have to wait for the market to be in a ranging condition, then we start looking for buying and selling opportunities. Okay, so that was the first thing that I looked out for before trying to sell the market. So as you can see, when the market came to this zone, and it came here, I placed a buy trade. Okay, and I was expecting the market to spike upward, but I'm going to count from here. If the market continues selling from where I bought and it sold for like 12 candles and did not spike, I will exit that trade in loss. Okay, but whenever there's a ranging formation, you have to wait for price to come to zones that seems like support and resistance zones. As you can see, inside this trading range, there are still some kind of minor support and resistance zones that the market is reacting to. The market does not change direction in the middle of this range, but rather it changes direction from the extreme part of this range, from the extreme here and the extreme. So when the market comes to these extreme zones, that's when you start looking for buying and selling opportunities. As you can see here, the market, I'm expecting the market to come to my take profit zone, but it's not getting there, and the market is still selling more and more. So I might have to just close this trade, but I'm really hoping that the market will still spike, because I'm expecting that price should come to this rectangle here, or this zone, this place that I just marked. Okay, that's why I placed my take profit there. But fortunately, the spike that happened came very close to my take profit zone, but did not kick me out. So let me quickly share the trading indicators we are going to be using. Okay, so click on the F icon and go to your indicator window. Okay, so on your main chart, the first thing you want to add is your relative strength index. Okay, so you look for your relative strength index, and your parameter and the properties or the parameters is period of 14, apply to close. Then your levels is 90, 50 and 10. Okay, that's your level. Then for your style, your color should be the same color of your background. If your chart background is white, then your style should be white. Okay, excuse me. Then if your chart background is black, then your style should be black. Okay, when you're done with that, you click done. Okay, then after that, you now come to this indicator window 1 here. Click on this place, this plus sign here. Okay, and you click on it. When you click on it, you look for your MACD. Okay, when you get your MACD, you set your MACD as default. Use the default MACD settings. Okay, the default MACD settings, which is 12, 26, and SMD and MACD SMA of 9. Okay, I would like to close. Just use the normal default settings, and when you are done with that, you click done. All right, so you have your MACD in your chart. You have these settings in your chart. Okay, you have the MACD and the RSI. So how do you use this indicator windows to look for trading opportunities? This indicator windows, you have to do it in a 5-minute time frame, like I said from the beginning part of this video. Guys, this spike, I was still expecting that this market was going to spike and come to my take profit zone, but unfortunately it came very close and started reversing backward. But let me just set a stop loss. I'm still expecting that the market to go up a little, but if the market comes below this 5-minute low, I'm just going to exit, sadly. But it's so sad that the market did not come to my take profit zone, but let's just see how it plays out. Okay, so that's it. Once you have your indicators, you go to your 5-minute time frame. And how do you look for trading opportunities in the 5-minute time frame? Okay, when you're in the 5-minute time frame, you have to now look at this MACD here. This MACD, once the MACD comes to this buy zone, can you see this buy zone? Once it comes to this buy zone, can you see here? I said buy. Once it comes to this buy zone, you start looking for buying opportunities. But once the market comes to this buy zone, you don't just buy. Okay, you now switch, or you now squeeze your chart, or you go to the 15-minute time frame and you look for the market, and you look out for the market. If the market is in a ranging formation, just like we have here, remember the market has to be in a ranging formation. So when the market is in a ranging formation like this, then you start buying and selling. Okay, and here I was greedy. So when you're trading, when you're taking this trade, you don't have to be greedy. Okay, and if the market is in a spiking condition, if you buy or sell and the market does not spike after 12 candle, 10 to 12 candle, you just exit your trade. Okay, so here I was greedy. I was supposed to just take profit as soon as this last spike happened. I was expecting one more spike to trigger my take profit, but it did not happen, and fortunately the market is now heading towards my stop loss zone. But that's what you just do in this kind of trading market condition. When the market is ranging, you wait for the market to come to extreme zones. When it comes to extreme zone, you buy. When it comes to extreme zones, you sell. And when do you exit the trade? You exit the trading profit when the market has gone above 50% of this trading range. This is the middle, so this is the 50%. This is the range from here to here, is the range of this trading range. Okay, so the middle is here. So if you buy from the bottom, once market goes above the middle, you are free to take profit, because the market is in a ranging condition. It can start misbehaving, just like how the market misbehaved here. I'm expecting it to come to my take profit zone, but it did not come because the market is in a ranging condition. That's why it's happening like this. Okay, so guys, whenever you buy, if the market gives you more than 12 candles and it not spike, you exit and you wait for another opportunity. Okay, and when the market is in profit, you have to wait for the market to come above 50% of that particular trading range of that particular day that you are trading. Okay, I'm still expecting a spike upwards. But if that spike does not happen, then my stop loss order will just take me out of the market. So guys, hope you learned one or two from this video. Okay, don't forget to like this video, and if you want to enjoy more crash and boom trading strategies video, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Guys, see you in the next video. Peace out.